So yan, good afternoon guys. And today, alam nyo, may nice lang akong i-share sa inyo kasi yun, nagbabasa-basa ako and bigla kong umabot ako dito sa part ng First John to be exact. And ang sabi dito, everyone who believes that Jesus is the Christ has been born of God. And everyone who loves the Father loves whoever has been born of him. By this, we know that we love the children of God. And when we love God and obey his commandments, for this is the love of God, that we keep his commandments. And his commandments are not burdensome. For everyone who has been born of God becomes overcomes the world. And this is the victory that has overcome the world, our faith. Who is it that overcomes the world except the one who believes that Jesus is the Son of God. Yun mga kapatid, no? Nice ko lang i-share sa inyo. Itong sa First John chapter 5 verse 1 to 5. Yun, and sabi dito, dito natin malaman yung natin yung identity natin as Christians, as son of God. Diba? We have become son of God, or or I should say born of God. And if we've been born of God, kapag ano tayo kapag naniwala tayo na tayo'y yun sabi dito, everyone who believes that Jesus is Christ, kapag tayo'y naniwala na si Jesus yung Diyos, siya ay Diyos, siya yung Messiah, ay sabi ulitin ko, has been born of God. And everyone who loves the Father loves whoever has been born of Him. Kung sabihin natin na ako, kung mahal ko yung kaibigan, ulitin ko, sabi dito. And everyone who loves the Father loves whoever has been born of Him. Sabihin natin is, mahal ko yung Father ko. And mahal ng kapatid ko yung Father ko. Kaya mahal ko na din yung yung sister, or ba yung tawag, ulitin ko, wait lang. Kunyari, ako, mahal ko yung father ko, and yung sister or brother ko is mahal din yung father ko. Ako din, mahal ko din yung kapatid ko kasi mahal niya yung mahal ko. Gan ba? Kapag yun, hindi gaya ng relasyon na minsan is sa girlfriend-boyfriend relationship na minsan is nasasaktan tayo pagka mahal ng iba yung mahal natin. Pero dito is to to show talaga kung paano tayo na born again, or kung isa sa parang evidence na we've been born again or born of God is we love everyone who has been born of Him, of God. And by this we know that we love the children of God. And we love God and obey His commandments. Especially po yung part na yun, obey His commandments. Dapat po alam natin i-obey yung commandments, which is nandito po sa Biblia na sinabi na salita po ng ating Panginoon. For this is the love of God that we keep His commandments, and His commandments are not burdensome. Kasi ang salita po ng ating Panginoon ay never po naging pahirap po sa atin. Hindi po siya parang, kung isipin po natin, hindi siya gaya ng mga sinasabi nilang nung ibang tao na ang controlling naman, ang daming bawal, ang daming hindi pwedeng gawin, bakit ganyan yung Bible? Pero sa totoo mga kapatid, Bible po is tinuturuan po tayo neto. And this Bible, ito lamang po ang nag-iisang libro na hindi ikaw ang nagbabasa kundi ikaw ang binabasa nito kasi ben etong ang Bible po is God breath and ano po and every word po na mababasa natin dito is wait, tuturuan na tayo nito. Every command, every teachings po is hindi lamang po para maging mabuti tayo kundi para mas mapalugod po natin or mas ma-glorify po natin yung pangalan ng ating Panginoon. Sabi po dito, "For everyone who has been born of God overcomes the world." Isa din po yan sa command sa atin, let us overcome the world. Dahil alam naman po natin na hindi lahat ng yun, na kailangan nating overcome tong world, itong tawag ng mundo or itong ang world kasi hindi tayo pong mga tao ay hindi po tayo taga dito, kundi tayo po ay naparaan lang dito at may balang araw ay inaanyayahan tayo ng ating Panginoon upang sumama sa Kanya sa eternity or sa buhay na walang hanggan. And this is the victory that overcome the world, our faith. Yung mga kapatid, di ba? Believe, have faith na si Jesus Christ is ano yun? Namatay, nabuhay, ay siya ay ipinanganak bilang tao, namatay para sa kasalanan natin at nabuhay muli pagkatapos ng 3 araw at yun yung kailangan nating paniwalaan. Who is it that overcomes the world except sabi dito mga kapatid, except the one who believes that Jesus is the Son of God. Yun mga kapatid, di ba? Yun ang lagi nating tatandaan na for us to overcome this world, we need to fully accept and believe that Jesus raised from the dead and Jesus is the Son of God. Yun lamang mga kapatid ang nice kong share sa inyo. Peace. Shalom.